Zach Strouser here with Strouser Nature's Helpers, and we're in the beautiful Lehigh Valley, eastern Pennsylvania. And I'm here with Electric Sheep. We have, over the last year, been partnered up with Electric Sheep on autonomous robotic mowing on a commercial scale, where we're using actually existing mowers that are already on the market, where we're retrofitting and putting technology on top of mowers that have been around and proven. So really excited, and I want to introduce you.
Yeah, so my name's Jared. I'm a co-founder and COO of Electric Sheep. So really pumped to be working with Zach and Straussers to bring this technology to the landscape industry. And it's what we're finding is there's it's definitely it's a new technology, but it requires a partnership with the right people, the patience, and like the willingness to kind of break down how you used to do things to set sights on how it might be done in the future. Yeah, it's been a good first few months of this mow season, and excited to get more out there.
Yeah. So, over the best thing I can say to anyone that's interested or wants to find more information out, contact Electric Sheep, but also just understand that it's through patience and really understanding that it's not necessarily the technology that gets introduced into your company and solves all the problems. It's really about a hand-over-hand relationship where you're really understanding how your entire, for lack of better words, your entire operations change over the next how many years, we're not exactly certain. So it's really all hands on deck. It's down to the frontline guys all the way up to the engineers, and really kind of collaborating and working together that's going to make it a success. So we're excited. We're actually have our first unit behind us, and that unit will actually start getting programmed this week. So we're excited. Thanks, man.
Likewise.